गाइस वेलकम बैक टू न्यू ब्लॉग। सो अभी बेंगलोर जा रहे हैं गाइस। अरुणाचल से ईटानगर का एयरपोर्ट है, वहां से जाएंगे बेंगलोर का एयरपोर्ट में पहुंचेगा। लेट्स सी गाइस, आपको ये वीडियो से यही नॉलेज मिलेगा हाउ यू विल ट्रैवल अलोन व्हाइल गोइंग टू बेंगलोर ना, हाउ टू ट्रैवल अलोन, ये नॉलेज मिलेगा। ब्लॉग अच्छा होगा, लास्ट तक जरूर देखिए। सो बने रहे गाइस। देख सकते हैं गाइस, अभी जा रहे हैं एयरपोर्ट में, होलोंगी में पहुंच गया। ये मेरा अबू ड्राइव कर रहा है, जा रहे गाइस, देखते हैं। रास्ता है काफी खूबसूरत गाइस, देख सकते हैं एयरपोर्ट का रास्ता। देख सकते हैं ये एयरपोर्ट है, एंट्री ले लिया गाइस, देख सकते हैं क्या बढ़िया एयरपोर्ट गाइस। ये देख सकते हैं यहाँ में ये डिपार्चर यहाँ से जाता है एयरपोर्ट में। इसको गाइस मिलते हैं बेंगलोर में। Guys, here we have to do check-in, luggage check-in, and later that board on to the flight, guys. Here I board on, and you can see I was waiting to go. Finally reached the flight, guys. It was so beautiful to watch. So finally I was going to Kolkata, and I was enjoying and experiencing the flight moments. Finally, guys, the flight was being take off, and finally the speed was increasing of the flight. Finally it took off and flew off in the air, guys. So you can see my reaction, guys. I was looking and I was astonished. This is the beauty of mountains of Arunachal and Itanagar. It's so beautiful, guys. Holongi side. These are views of Assam from top of plane. Finally I had to go, and I was happy seeing the views, and I was going to Kolkata and then go to Bangalore. I kept wondering how beautiful these views are and how beautiful these places are from the window seat of the flight. Finally you can see like a drone shot of Kolkata, and it's Kolkata airport. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose airport is being reached and being landed by me. Let's go. I was so happy. Let's go. And finally it took off, guys, and my reaction, guys. And it was so good. Finally I reached Kolkata, guys. Finally reached the Kolkata airport, guys. देख सकते हैं, सब देख सकते हैं, देख ले सकते हैं। सब रुक रहे थे, and I was also waiting for flight कब टेक ऑफ होगा। I was waiting. Finally off to Bangalore, guys. Let's go. मज़ा आएगा. Let's go, guys. सीधा बेंगलोर में मिलते हैं, guys. Let's go. So finally after 3 months I was traveling, and I was happy, guys. Finally I made it, and it's so tiring, guys, always to go flight. For me, guys, at least. Finally the flight was being take off, and finally I was going to Bangalore from Kolkata, guys. It was so good, and finally it took off. It took off, guys, as you can see in the video. It was so nice to see. I was happy that finally we are going. Look at the view, guys. So beautiful. Kolkata is looking at night. The city of joy is looking so beautiful at night, guys. Let's go. I'm so happy, guys. Finally we reached to Bangalore, and I was enjoying the flight, and finally it was going to take off. This is the Bangalore city at night from flight view. These flight views are so mesmerizing, isn't it, guys? Finally, guys, this is how Bangalore airport looks like, and it's so beautiful, guys. Bangalore has 2 terminals. This is terminal 1, I think. Here you can take luggage, guys. This is the terminal 1 airport from out. So beautiful, guys, and it's shining with lights. Finally from airport we are going, and this is how the road looks like of Bangalore. This is how the companies looks like in Bangalore. for my Arunachal viewers. Guys, after long journey, I'm finally back to Bangalore. So for some works, tiring day and a tiring journey, guys. So tiring, guys, because Itanagar we have connecting flights and Kolkata we have to wait, then connect, then come finally to Bangalore. So anyway, guys, what a successful day. I think this video was useful for you guys. I think this video was also useful for you guys. See how we can travel alone. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Bye.